Hello everyone. Now I will explain the conductometric estimation of acid mixture. The aim of the experiment is to estimate the amount of hydrochloric acid and acetic acid in a mixture by conductometric titration using standard sodium hydroxide solution. Now let's see the principle of this experiment. Conductance is the ability of a material to conduct electricity. In solution, conductivity arises due to the movement of ions. That means if water contains dissolved salts, then it shows conductivity. As there are no ions in distilled water, its conductivity is negligible. Conductivity of a solution can be measured by a conductometer and a conductivity cell. Conductivity cell contains two platinum plates, each of 1 centimeter square area and separated by a distance of 1 centimeter. In conductometric titration, the sample is a mixture of strong acid, that is hydrochloric acid, and a weak acid, that is acetic acid. It is titrated against standard solution of sodium hydroxide. The reaction is called as neutralization reaction. During the titration, one of the ions is replaced by the other, and invariably these two ions differ in ionic conductivity. Hence, conductivity of a solution varies during the titration. At the initial stage of titration, conductivity decreases till the complete neutralization of strong acid, that is hydrochloric acid. This is because fast-moving hydrogen ions are progressively replaced by slow-moving sodium ions. Further addition of sodium hydroxide gradually increases the conductivity due to the neutralization of weak acid, that is acetic acid. Because sodium acetate can undergo complete dissociation than acetic acid. After the complete neutralization of acetic acid, further addition of sodium hydroxide increases the conductivity due to the accumulation of sodium hydroxide. Hence, in this plot, three straight lines are obtained with two intersection points. First intersection point V1 corresponds to the volume of sodium hydroxide required for the neutralization of hydrochloric acid. V2 for the neutralization of acid mixture. Now let us see how to conduct the experiment. Sample solution will be provided in a beaker which contains strong acid hydrochloric acid and weak acid acetic acid. Burette is washed with water, then it is rinsed and filled with sodium hydroxide solution. Initial burette reading is set to 0. Electrode is washed with distilled water and immersed in sample solution. Then the conductivity cell is connected to a conductometer and range is set to 20 millimho. Sample solution is mixed and initial conductivity is recorded. From the burette, 0.5 cm cube of sodium hydroxide is added to the sample. The solution is mixed and conductivity is recorded. Further addition of sodium hydroxide is continued in the increment of 0.5 cm cube and conductivity is recorded for each addition. Here, all the conductivity readings are tabulated. A graph of conductivity versus volume of sodium hydroxide is plotted. Three straight lines are drawn by joining the points to get two equivalence points. First equivalent point corresponds to the neutralization of hydrochloric acid and second equivalence point corresponds to the neutralization of acid mixture. By knowing two equivalence points V1 and V2, the volume of sodium hydroxide corresponds to the neutralization of acetic acid can be calculated. Weight of each acid can be determined by calculating the strengths of acid, followed by multiplying the strength with its equivalent weight. In this experiment, it is found that weight of hydrochloric acid present in 1000 cm cube of given solution is 1.13 grams and weight of acetic acid is 1.74 grams.